Computerized panel cutting machine. Adopt the box shape design. Optimize the internal design of the machine. Improve the speed of machine and the quality of the cutting knives. Improve the efficiency of cutting. Adopting a horizontal cross-sectional structure. Improve the accuracy of fabric cross-cutting. Adopt the 5-inch screen touching interface. Easy to control. Easy to change language. Side knives adopt scissor-style cutting. Can solve the problem of continuous cutting of soft materials. Infrared length and width positioning for cutting. High cutting accuracy. Neat fabric cutting edges. Pneumatic slitting knife design. The tools are easy to use. Can be widely applied to the cutting of mattress fabrics. Equipped with border cutting and rolling device, it is a necessary machine for cutting the fabric of mattresses.